Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits chocolate updated. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees C and line a tray. Start by creaming 115 g butter with 100 g sugar until light, then beat in 1 egg. Fold in 180 g flour and 30 g cocoa, adding 50 g chocolate chips if desired. Chill dough for 30 minutes, portion into rounds, and bake 10-12 minutes until set but soft. Enjoy warm with milk. These are the main ingredients and how they affect texture and flavor. Use cold butter for flakier biscuits or softened butter for denser cookies. Choose Dutch processed cocoa for mellow chocolate or natural cocoa for brighter flavor. Measure flour by spooning and leveling to avoid dry dough. Adjust sugar to taste and add a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate notes and balance sweetness. Remember that chill time improves shape. Mix gently to avoid overworking gluten and creating tough biscuits. Combine wet and dry until just incorporated, leaving small streaks if needed and folding in chips to keep pockets of chocolate. If dough seems sticky, chill it for 20-40 minutes to firm up and scoop uniform sizes for even baking. Press tops lightly for a classic biscuit look and remove when edges are set but centers remain soft. Enjoy with tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.